The chairman of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission wey be Efcc, im name na Ola Olukoyede. Im don dey yarn dey give the youth of we country Nigeria say make dem deploy their technology skills. That is to say, make dem use their technology skills, make dem use am wella for the benefit of the nation and for individual development. That is those people now wey sabi operate computer well well, wey sabi do things and things with computer wey go surprise countryman. So make dem use am for the betterment of the nation. Make dem use am for good things. Make dem no use am for negative and fraudulent purposes. Make dem no use am come dey bring katakata to we nation. Make dem no use am come dey cause trouble. Instead, make dem use am do good. The chairman of the Efcc dey yarn this one for inside Abuja on Tuesday, wey be the 27th day of August for inside this year 2024, and im dey talk am while im dey address the Nigerian Youth Stakeholders Conversation. And this program carry the theme Digital Economy Transition Pathway to Global Competitiveness. And no be lie, my good people, you know say the Efcc chairman im dey indirectly dey talk about yahoo boys for inside we country Nigeria. The things and things wey those men dey do e reach to surprise country person. Im dey try to talk say e no make sense. Instead, make dem use their skill to dey do better things for inside we country Nigeria. And you know say quarter bin dey ground concerning the official X account of the Efcc. The rumour be say yahoo boys come go hack the Efcc X account, come change their logo to another thing. But Efcc come outside dey yarn say nothing like that. Say nobody hack their account, just that they are doing upgrade, and na why e be like that. So for inside this Nigerian Youth Stakeholders Conversation, the Efcc Director of Public Affairs, his name na Wilson Uwujaren, na him represent the chairman of the Efcc wey be Ola Olukoyede. Im come dey yarn say opportunities plenty for youth in the digital space to demonstrate their technological skills. Chances plenty wey dey go fit take do good things with their computer skills for inside we country Nigeria, instead of them to come dey use their skills now for fraudulent activities, to come dey use their skill dey do bad, dey do negative things for inside we country. According to him, inside the Efcc wey be Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, they identify with the objectives of the program wey dey aimed at harnessing, that is bringing out the technological skills of young country people for the economic development of we nation and personal growth of the citizens wey be the country people. You see, all of us now dey very much aware of the tremendous skills, the massive skills wey our young citizens dey possess. All of us now dey aware of the marvelous things wey country people dey fit do with computer, especially in the fintech ecosystem. He say in the doubt say e get any other country for inside Africa wey get the type of resources wey this our nation get in terms of deployment of technology by young persons in all areas of development. The technology na something wey be say e no go fit run away from am. E no get how e wan take run from am, e no possible. E na the future of the whole world, and we must make sure say youth wey get this skill so dem deploy am, dem use am for the benefit of our nation. This one, my good people, dey come from the representative of the chairman of the Efcc wey be Ola Olukoyede, and he wey represent the chairman, his name na Wilson Uwujaren, and he na the Efcc Director of Public Affairs. And no be lie, my good people, if you check this matter properly, you go see am say the things and things wey this man yarn, all of them are legit. He even point out the fact say the reputation of we country Nigeria e dey at stake, and that na sake of the negative use of technology. Because the things and things wey country people dey use technology take dey do for inside we country Nigeria, e follow stain the reputation, e follow stain the name of we country Nigeria. E don stain Nigeria white on a global levels. And e cause dey yarn say as long as young Nigerians, young country people, dem continue to dey defraud, dem continue to dey use mago means to dey collect the hard-earned money of other country, their citizens, and other negative levels dem. As long as we country people still dey do am, the reputation of our nation go continue to dey suffer. Now im come dey call on all well-meaning Nigerians those country people wey still mean well for we country Nigeria, those people we see their mind dey to still make our country Nigeria make sense. Those ones now wey dey aware of the dangerous implications, the consequences wey these implications of this cyber crime go get on the economy of we nation. Dey call on those men dem, make dem rise up, make dem join forces with the commission, make dem make sure say together dem make our country Nigeria win the war against cyber crime. Now, according to the Efcc chairman wey be Ola Olukoyede, he say time don reach for we country Nigeria to move back to the foundation era of moral values. The foundation of our moral values now is being threatened by the emphasis wey we don place on wealth. Now, e no make sense say parents wey dey for inside we country Nigeria today, they dey ask questions when their children now just make sharp money. Children wey be say na their parents dey take care of them normal, they dey sleep under their parents roof, they dey chop mommy thank you, daddy thank you. Before you know, they don make money wey be say their parents no go fit make in their lifetime. They dey for school, they dey for campus, na their parents dey pay them school fees, but before you know, they don dey drive cars wey be say their parents no live for dream that their parents go fit dey see am dey drive. And their parents no go ask questions, they no go ask their pikin say come, where you get this money from? They no go ask, they go just go with the flow. Instead that kind of level, e no make sense. And e no get any way wey they want to solve this wahala until we look inward and find a way to teach the core values. All this one, my good people, they come from the chairman of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, maybe Ola Olukoyede. And no be lie, the way things dey be for inside we country Nigeria, e no make sense. Now, in don yarn finish, they talk say we need to solve this problem, and we no go fit solve am until we look inward and find the way to teach the core values. This man dey forget say na drop of water dey make ocean. You understand? Our parents now, they don try. Now, how things be for inside we nation Nigeria, na children be parents and na parents be children. Because if you go most families now, na children dey take care of their mama and their papa, based on say their parents now no fit get one or two things to do to sustain the family. And if you check am properly, no be say the children just wake up for morning then they can't choose this kind of lifestyle. No, na the way the economy of the nation be, we can make the children now can say, okay, in order to survive for this kind of economy, we gats migrate, we gats switch into this kind of level. And my good people, all of us know very well say, if you dey point person with one finger, 3 finger dey point give you back. Normally, we no dey support bad thing, but you see the corruption for inside this our nation Nigeria, e don dey happen even before this Yahoo level come board. My good people, this na the information wey I say make I share give the general public. Anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. Now we be Anointed Lady TV. Now they give una legit information on the things and things wey dey happen for inside our nation Nigeria. So if you would like to receive more legit news, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring the news they come, then go first receive the updates and you go get them sharp. And they come your side again with another interesting information I will share give all of una. I beg, no go anywhere.